Now, you may think, well, what should my channel name be? Well, you may show you a little secret here. Can I show you a secret, if you don't mind? You know, a little secret. You want to go to the site by the name of vidiq.com. Listen, all the YouTubers that are making money, this is what they use, okay? You probably never heard of this. And use the free version. You don't have to spend money. It's free, okay? And basically what it does is it gives you the edge, okay? So what I suggest, create YouTube channels that's going to make money faster. I know what those channels are. And I'm going to tell you right here in this video too. One channel is how to train dogs. Everybody loves a dog, right? You like dogs? I love dogs, man. I think I got a dog around somewhere. Rufus! Rufus! All right, how to train dogs. Very simple. Generate. So this thing here is just gonna generate it for me. The title of the video. And the great thing about this software here, and I will leave a link under the video. The great thing about this software, it scavenges YouTube because it's using artificial intelligence now, right? So it finds the best performing videos, the best performing title, the descriptions, and the tags, right? So what took people years to do, I mean, this is happening in seconds, and now you have access to it. But listen, this is where it gets better for you. The description, you just copy and paste this, tags, you copy and paste this, and you put it on the YouTube video. And guess what? Here are your thumbnails. And you're done. And listen, the more you do that over and over again, I know what you're thinking, that's it? That, I swear to you, that is it. I'm helping thousands of people. Honestly, I take a few people a day and I work with them. And like I said, people are giving me the money because they're getting results. People wouldn't pay me or invest money with me if I don't give them results. Listen, you know, at the end of the day, this is not about making a lot of money. It's about, like, my whole purpose in life now is just helping other people make a lot. It's hard. It's hard for me to get you to believe that you can do this. It's that easy, honestly. That if you continue to do that every day, okay, 5 minutes a day, every day, then one day when you log in, you'll see that money. And it took me a very long time, folks. You know, look, it took me a very long time to do that. But you, because you're using these tools, you're going to be raking in 5, 10,000, 20,000. It's up to you. I'll tell you that here's a secret. The more videos you upload, the faster you get monetized and the more money you make. Does that make sense? The more videos you make, the more videos that you make, okay, that you upload. We just made a video. It's downloading. It's still downloading right now. I can go make me some food, some barbecue, some chicken, eat some watermelon. Right? While it's doing it for me. I'm not recording a video. I'm not searching and trying to wonder if this video is going to be great. I already know it is. Why? Because I'm using vidIQ. This does it for you. This is the tool that all YouTubers use. But now with these faceless channels, which you're going to create a faceless channel, every video is like $1 in a bank account. So every dollar you deposit, you're going to make interest off of that. That's what you're going to do. it's done, you click the download button, you download it to your computer, and then you go back to YouTube, okay? Now, so, we're gonna do this. Dog training. Right? We gotta verify my account, so we don't have time to do that, so we're gonna just use one of my but see how I was gonna upload a video right now? I just upload the video, okay? I download it. Always use 1080p. Download. Let it do its thing, okay? And then we're just gonna upload it. This is what I want to do for you that's watching this video right now, knowing that you're in the right place at the right time. You've chosen to forget about your past and understand that right now is the time for you to move forward. What I want to do is this. I want to do all this for you. Okay? I'm going to create the videos for you. I'm going to choose the thumbnails for you. I'm going to choose the niches for you, the best niches that I know that works right now. I'm going to monetize your channel, which means you're going to get an email from YouTube and say you've been monetized. I'm going to choose your keywords. Okay? Does that make sense? I'm going to do that all for you. And like I said, only 10 people. I'm going to do it for $997. I'm going to give you all that. And I'm going to work with you until you get monetized, get your first paycheck for $997. Like I said before, I'm going to take 10 people per month. You know, every month it's always somebody that said, Wesley, I want in. And I say, you're too late. The only reason why, because it costs me so much money to do this for people that are paying me $25,000 that I got to put the attention on them. Like, so I can't take more than 10 people. That's it. And this is not for everybody. I had this one lady from Michigan. She's 57 years young. Beautiful young lady. Okay? She's a grandmother. She says, Wesley, I worked all my life. I'm retired now. And I just need some extra income. This lady said, I just need $2,500 a month. That's what she told me on the phone. I just need $2,500. I'm not a technical person. I don't understand what a computer is, but I need income. I said, okay. Invest with me. She paid $25,000. Okay? And I did all this for her. After 90 days, this woman is, I'm sorry to say that she's not bringing in $2,500. Her first check, I wish I could show you the text message. I don't know where my phone is. She said, Wesley, I just got a check for $4,300 from YouTube. What does that mean? I said, that's the amount of money. Like, she has like 400 videos uploaded to her channel. Because I'm using this to do it. You know, with my expertise, I've been doing this for a long time. And I have an AI expert that I pay $10,000 a month to do this for people who just don't want to do it for themselves. And she said, Wesley, thank God I found you. And I said, it wasn't me. It was the tools. And I'm giving you the tools. Video Gen, Video IQ, and YouTube. Okay? All you need to do is do exactly what I did. And listen, you can pick any niche you want. Okay? You can choose whatever niche that you want. Make money online niche. You can, look at here, look. You could generate, see, there go the video right there. It's already done. Look, you can go here. Check this out. It could be anything. How to make money online fast. It's going to generate the title, the topic, and the thumbnail that's going to work with YouTube. And then you just use artificial intelligence to upload the content. And the great thing, I got this one young man, he's from Texas. He's 61. He said, Wes, I'm bringing it. I got one channel that he's bringing in about $2,300 a month. He said, Wes, can I have several channels? I said, absolutely. And I said, you know what? He already invested $25,000. So you know what? I'm not going to even charge you for this because I want you to make more money. I did his other channel for free. So I did. So he has 2 channels right now. The second channel is getting ready to be monetized next week. What I'm saying to you, look, you can do this, okay? You can absolutely do this. I do this every day for people, but I said, you know what, how about I just show you what I'm doing? I'm gonna give you the tools that me and my team are using every day to bring in passive income for people who are not technical, older people, even younger people, busy people. Some people are just very busy. They can't do this. I've been doing internet marketing like this for like 15 years. I'm a technical guy, so I can do this in seconds. So I do it for others. Now, I want you to do that. Now, listen, I know there's a few of you say, Wes, this sounds easy, it looks good, but is there a way that you can do this for me? But I don't have $25,000. I get it. My parents never made more than $20,000 a year. Never. They never made more than $20,000 a year. And I'm going to be very honest with you. I'll never forget the day that I prayed to God and I was broke. I was 31 years old. I had just quit my job. And I said, God, if you would somehow make me rich, I don't know. Because I was trying a lot of things. I think we can relate. I was busting my ass. I really wanted it. Because I wanted financial freedom for my children. It's nothing like, I had a tough childhood, I'm going to be honest. It was tough. Teased all the time, talked about. I was Wesley Thousand there in Virgin. They used to tease me about my name. Wesley is a virgin. I'm going to be honest. And I hated it. And I decided I was going to do whatever it took to be financially free. And I think you're the same, because that's the reason why you're here right now. And I know you can't afford $25,000, but what I do, even though I have people that reach out to me daily to do this, what I want to do for 10 people, it's just 10 people while you're watching this, okay? And what I do, I take 10 people per month, and I just take 10 people under my wing because I want them to see the proof, right? You're going to see a ton of videos of people getting monetized, making money, great. But I want to make a believer out of you. And I know you probably don't have 25,000, but I know if I help you make 25,000 a month, you probably give it to me, right? Of course. I have this one lady from Michigan. She's 57 years young. Beautiful young lady, okay? She's a grandmother. She says, Wesley, I worked all my life. I'm retired now, and I just need some extra income. This lady said, I just need $2,500 a month. That's what she told me on the phone. I just need $2,500. I'm not a technical person. I don't understand what a computer is, but I need income. I said, okay. Invest with me. She paid $25,000, okay? And I did all this for her. After 90 days, this woman is, I'm sorry to say that she's not bringing in $2,500. Her first check, I wish I could show you the text message. I don't know where my phone is. She said, Wesley, I just got a check for $4,300 from YouTube. What does that mean? I said, that's the amount of money. Like, she has like 400 videos uploaded to her channel because I'm using this to do it. With my expertise, I've been doing this for a long time. And I have an AI expert that I pay $10,000 a month to do this for people who just don't want to do it for themselves. And she said, Wesley, thank God I found you. And I said, it wasn't me. It was the tools. And I'm giving you the tools: Video Gen, Video IQ, and YouTube. Okay? All you need to do is do exactly what I did. And listen, you can pick any niche you want. Okay? You can choose whatever niche that you want. Make money online niche. You can look at here. Look. You could generate, see, there go the video right there. It's already done. Look, you can go here. Check this out. It could be anything. How to make money online fast. It's going to generate the title, the topic, and the thumbnail that's going to work with you.